I have used earphones from Bolt Audio in the past and I have made a review as well. That was Bolt Audio Bass Buds Storm. These are wooden earphones. These are Bolt Audio Bass Buds Oak. One of the best budget options out there if you are looking for a good balance between price, performance and styling. For their price, the build quality is very good as well. And the USP is that they are made of wood. They are called Bass Buds Oak and I have no idea whether they are made of oak wood or something else, but they are called Bass Buds Oak. Anyways, in this video we will check out these earphones in details and we will check how is the build quality and how is the sound quality. So let's begin. Hello everybody, this is Arijit. Let's take it easy. So this is the box packaging. As you can see, the box is made of paper entirely. Even inside the box, you will see in a moment. And by the way, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Get subscribed, it's free. Hit the red subscribe button down there. Hit the bell as well to stay notified about the upcoming videos and updates. I bought both of the color variants. One of them is beige and the other one is brown. I bought the beige color variant first, then after 2 months I got the brown ones. Inside the package, apart from the earphones, you will get a small packet, and inside that packet you will get some extra pair of ear tips in smaller and larger sizes and a clip as well, which you can attach to the cable and then use that to clip the earphones on your shirt or whatever. First, let's talk about the build quality. The earphones, they look constructed very well. The shell of the earphone is made of wood and it has metal housing at the front side and at the back side as well. The earphones are classy looking, they are elegant and stylish. The ear tips are soft, they have a little different texture compared to the other earphones I have used and reviewed. They are comfortable, but they are not the grippiest ear tips I have seen. Grippiest, is that even a word? It's not like they will come off every now and then. You can even wear these earphones while exercising, but they are not the grippiest I have seen. The cables are thick and look very durable. Even for long-term usage, the cables feel good and durable enough. In this brown color variant, you can even see the cables inside. It has a kind of smoky, translucent rubberized coating on top, and according to the specifications mentioned, these cables are braided. The cables inside, they are braided, and that is a good thing. They might help in some situations. And the 3.5mm jack is gold plated, which is a good thing as well. The jack is a little bit angled. Of course, it is not 90 degrees. And I don't think it is 45 degrees as well, but it is a bit angled, as you can see. A 90 or 45 degree angled jack could have been better, but it is better than no angle at all. It is better than a straight jack. Of course, it has an inbuilt microphone. With that, you can take calls and record audio. The microphone quality is nothing special, just standard quality you will get. The microphone quality is good enough for calls, and during calls, I received no complaints regarding the audio quality from this microphone. On the mic module, it has a button, and with that button, you can do all the usual stuff like playing or pausing music or videos, receiving or disconnecting calls. All the standard features are there. I'm using it since the last 1 month, and the USP or the ultimate selling point of these earphones are design and build quality. As I have already mentioned, the build quality is great for the price. The earphones themselves and the cables look strong and durable even for long-term usage. The use of real wood and a rugged look makes it really attractive, and it looks different from most earphones, at least in this price segment, and I would even call it one of the most good looking earphones under 1000 rupees. You can get these earphones at 500 rupees, which is almost $7 as of now. I think it has really good pricing, and I think the price can also be another USP. It is available in two different colors, beige and brown. If you want to buy this or just check it out, the link will be there in the video description and in the top comment, so check that out. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The mids and the low ends or the bass are good. The high ends are above average, though the balance between the high ends and the low ends is not the best, but I kind of liked the instrument separation. I also liked the noise isolation. For the overall sound quality, I would give it 8 out of 10. And for bass, I would give it 8 out of 10 again. Now we will talk about the pros and cons, but before that, here is another wooden earphones. I reviewed the House of Marley Smile Jamaica. I have reviewed the Smile Jamaica and I'm using it since I think more than 1.5 years. Its microphone is having some issues nowadays, but apart from that, it is working fine. I am using it with my PC nowadays, and I have used it for a long time with my smartphone. But the good thing is that it comes with 2 years of warranty, whereas most of the other earphones come with 6 months or maybe 1 year of warranty. So I can even go for replacement or at least repair for free. This has braided cable. The cable is made of some kind of fabric or synthetic fabric, maybe nylon or something. The build quality is really great. I would say it is better than the Bolt Audio Bass Buds Oak. The jack is 90-degree angled, and at the back side of the earphone there is no metal housing, so the wooden look is even more prominent. But it comes at twice the price. The usual price is 999 rupees or 1000 rupees, but sometimes it comes down to 900 rupees as well. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, and let's begin with the cons. The 3.5mm jack is angled, but a 90 degrees angled jack could have been better. The ear tips are comfortable, but the quality of the ear tips not the best. Again, could have been a little better. And I don't like this metal housing at the back side of the earphones. It kind of obstructs the wooden look of these earphones. The pros are very simple, as I have already mentioned earlier. I like the design, I like the build quality, and those are the pros of these earphones. The sound quality is good, and though I have not tested the water resistance capabilities of these earphones, but according to the specifications, it is IPX5 water resistant, which is of course a good thing. So guys, if you want to buy it or just check it out, the link will be there in the video description and in the top comment. If you purchase using our links, you pay the same price, but it definitely helps the channel. If you like it, you know what to do. Hit that like button. If you love the kind of work we are doing here, share the video with your friends and family and get subscribed. It's free. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified about the future videos and updates. If you have any queries or suggestions, please drop a comment. So that's it for this video. Have a great time, and I will see you in the next video.